Okay, welcome back. Once again, my name is Rick Rice with SoftwareSpecialties.com and demonstrating a product that I've developed called WindowShadez. So when we left off last time, we were playing Lethal RPG. With this video, I'm just going to show a few different tips and tricks and what I think of as cool features. So if you start up WindowShadez right now, where we're sitting, it brings it up with the menu and the first layout in the list of layouts that you've got saved. If you don't want that behavior, you can say, well, let's say Lethal is our favorite game that we play, so we'll make that the default layout. And if I exit and then start it up again, it will come up with Lethal as my layout and no menu. So that's what I think of as kind of a neat, cool feature. And you may notice that in this case, let's hide the shades again, the shades weren't really positioned where I've got the screen positioned today. You know, last time I played it, I may have been a little bit different spot, you know, wherever it happens to land. So if I bring back my layout, if I were to show the options on this tile and just bring it in a hair and then hide the options again, I've got access to the browser's scroll bar, and I can position this at any time this layout is available. So that's again another tip, trick, feature, whatever you want to call it. It makes it kind of handy to excuse me, position things. If I want to do a new layout, say I'm going to go play Words with Friends right now, I can go to right click, layout, new, and let's call this one Words with Friends, and I'll add a color shade. Might as well get rid of this window and minimize that. And so here I am with Words with Friends. And typically I will choose a color when I'm using color shades that's complementary or the most predominant color in the background. With the 50 shades of blue thing they've got going on here, I typically pick this color and it seems to work out okay. Now I could cover up, you know, all of this, or since I really only play it in this window and that's the only thing I really care to see most of the time, I'll just cover up that. And then when I do the right click and invert, there you go. You've got your play window available to you and everything else is covered up. If you wanted to see what's over here and choose a different game in your menu list, just double click and it hides that shade. If you click the WindowShadez icon again, it brings it right back. Same thing over here, double click, and you can get at the dictionary if you wanted to see that. The other way you can do that is, you know, right click, hide, but you know, who wants to do that when you can just double click? Anyhow, so while you're here, you can, you know, still play your game within your window, and we'll just go ahead and make a play here. I decided to set up a game against myself rather than have somebody else and have to blur out who the person is for anonymity and all that. So yes, we'll play it and, you know, off it goes. If you did want to see your menu over here and not have to double click and do all that, you can do what I have here with the opacity. You can, you know, bring it down to say like 90%, and then you can actually see through here and look at what's going on. You can't interact with it, but you'd see if, you know, a new game popped up or something like that. I think that's about it for this video. Thanks again for watching.